Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this session, I assembled this project to count the shaft rotation. I am using SS43 Hall effect sensor to count the rotation of this shaft. I connected Arduino Uno with 1602 I2C LCD. It will count the rotation. How many turns are passed, it will show here. Anytime I want to reset, just only press reset button, counter will reset to 0. Today we will make counter. It will count the number of rotations of a shaft. In my last video we discussed this SS43 Hall effect sensor. It is unipolar Hall effect sensor. If you have not watched that video, you can watch that video to understand the function of this Hall effect sensor. And today we will use with Arduino, and we will display the number of rotations of any shaft. For that purpose I will use this motor to count the rotations, and we will add a reset button so that any time we can reset the counter. I am using here 1602A LCD with I2C interface. How we will connect it? I discussed a stepwise Arduino code writing in my last video. You can see that video number on the screen, and today we will use that code and we will assemble this project. Now first we will make connections for this LCD with Arduino. Positive of the LCD will go to positive 5 volt. Clock SCL, it will go to A5. SDA pin A4. First I will take 5 volt from this Arduino board and ground. Now I will connect this 5 volt to the rail so that this 5 volt will reach to this I2C interface. Ground will connect it to ground. Then there is SDA. SDA will go to A4. SDA A4. SCL clock pin to A5. We will apply sensor output to pin number 2. This is SS43. Pin number 1 to 5 volt. Pin number 2 to ground. Pin number 3 output. And we will connect to digital I/O pin number 2. And we will connect 10 kilo ohm pull-up resistor between pin 1 and 3. Now I will place here in the end. Now I am placing 10 kilo ohm resistor between pin 1 and 3. We will apply positive 5 volt to pin 1 of the sensor, and I will apply ground supply to pin number 2. And we will take output from pin number 3 to Arduino digital pin number 2. Now we applied signal, and we will connect reset button. One end we will connect to ground, and this end will go to pin number 3, digital IO pin number 3, and we will connect 10 kilo ohm pull up resistor with positive 5 volt. When we will press this button, it will make jumper between these two pins. Switch one end will connect it to ground, and the second end we will use 10 kilo ohm resistor. This end will go to pin number 3, that is reset signal. Now I will connect this motor here at this point, and we will use a piece of magnet. To take magnet, I will use this headphone. I will take magnet from this headphone. So this is the magnet from this hand free. We will use this magnet now. I uploaded the code. I will give the link of this code in the video description. You can download that code. Now we will check which pole is north pole. It is not responding. This is north pole. We will make in opposite direction, so here it will respond. Now we will attach this magnet to the shaft where we want to count. We can use any epoxy, anything. I will apply voltage to this motor, ground and positive. Now I placed this magnet here on this motor shaft, and I am using boost converter module to control the speed of this motor. I uploaded Arduino code which I wrote in my last video number is displayed on the screen. You can watch that video as well. Now it is ready. Here is reset button, sensor, motor. Let's power it on. We can see it started counting. As the speed will increase, we can measure up to 100 kilohertz. Anytime I will press reset button, it will start from 0. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching.